Hi, this is David again, and in this video tutorial, we're going to discuss about Python variables. So let's get started. Creating variables. Unlike other programming languages, Python has no command for declaring a variable. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. For example, x equals 5, y equals John, print x, print y. Variables do not need to be declared with any particular type and can even change type after they have been set. For example, let's run the program. Variable names. A variable can have a short name, like x and y, or a more descriptive name, age, car name, total _ volume. Rules for Python variables. A variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. A variable name cannot start with a number. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores, AZ, 09, and underscore. Variable names are case sensitive. Age and age are three different variables. Remember that variables are case sensitive. Output variables. The Python print statement is often used to output variables. To combine both text and a variable, Python uses the plus character. For example, you can also use the plus character to add a variable to another variable. For example, for numbers, the plus character works as a mathematical operator. For example, if you try to combine a string and a number, Python will give you an error. For example, and that wraps up this video tutorial on Python variables. See you in my next tutorial, where we're going to discuss Python numbers.